Hey guys, this is the Wyze Cam version 4 and everything that come in the box. So basically here's the camera with the lens in front of the camera, and here have some light, and you can just use like this. There's a base, so you can move the way you want and install it, and also comes with this magnetic one, okay? So it's magnetic here on the base, so you can just stick like this for installation, right? So it works pretty fine. Or you can use this sticker, this 3M sticker that comes with the camera as well, so you can install anywhere you want. And just connect the cable. So here on the back you see a cable, a short cable is a micro USB. Then you can connect here this cable, which is a micro USB, to regular USB. And you don't need to use your cell phone charger because it comes with a charger here, right, with the power brick. It's not a charger, but a power brick that can power the camera, right? And also comes with the anchors and screws for installation and a quick guide, right? So it's pretty easy to install and set it up. You just need to use your cell phone, set up, and make it work, right? So that's basically the Wyze Cam version 4. You can get yours on Amazon.